Did you know that just because someone snores does not mean they have sleep apnea? Did you know that if you were diagnosed with sleep apnea, that does not necessarily mean that you also snore? The effects of sleep apnea on a person are very significant, and they're actually even related to cardiovascular disease and higher risk of stroke. My name is Melissa Davis. I've been a respiratory therapist for almost 30 years. I have founded the Pulmonary Project. It is a healthcare education platform, and one of its goals is to debunk the myths around heart and lung diseases and issues. Follow the Pulmonary Project. Subscribe to the education channel. Turn on your notifications. Like this video. Share it with other people you believe need this information, and leave me a comment about questions that you have about sleep apnea and sleep disordered breathing. I want you to empower your life and your health.